Hey there folks, I am the Mighty Plantain. Thanks for checking out this video, and you have all seen the fucking memes about Mad Dog 2020. Well, this is not Mad Dog 2020, but this is one of their products. This is MD 2020 Spiked Punch. Sweet Blue Raspberry at 12% ABV, at 16 fluid ounces. Contains alcohol, it says. Oh, no shit. Mad Dog 2020 product that contains alcohol. I guess they have to put that on anything that's got alcohol in it these days because some people are too fucking stupid to figure it out on their own. Sharing is key. Grab 2 glasses of ice, pour, and pass one on to a friend. Cheers. Well, I guess I'm fucked because I'm drinking this myself. Malt beverage with natural flavors in certified colors. Blah, blah, blah. Not a whole lot. Oh, it's put out by Anheuser-Busch in St. Louis, Missouri. That's interesting. But, yeah. So, it's 12% ABV. Mad Dog 2020 Spiked Blue Raspberry Punch. So it's not the full-on Mad Dog shit, but it's probably as close as you can get in a can. It was on sale. Oh, it's blue! Awesome. It's kind of nice light blue. Looks like a fucking soda. It's not quite as dark as Pepsi Blue. Yes, they did reissue that this year. But, oh, I can smell the blue raspberry from back. Oh my god. It almost goes purple under that pure white LED light. But it is definitely cloudy and slightly effervescent. Not much of a head on it, but that wasn't too aggressive of a pour anyway. But yeah, it definitely looks like a blue raspberry fruit punch. And smells like a blue raspberry soda. So, yeah, here we go with the Mad Dog shit. Oh, yep. Like I said at the top of the video, you've seen the memes about Mad Dog 2020, and if you've seen the memes, then you've got the memories, or lack thereof. Enough said there. Ooh. It smells a lot better than it tastes. There's... Ugh. Oh, God. I'm glad it was on sale because I might wind up dumping the other can. It was like 2 for $5, I think. It's actually kind of awful. It smells amazing. And it looks fucking cool, but... I don't even know what the fuck to compare that to. It goes in sweet and fruity with a hint of sourness. It's almost like this nice blue raspberry, but then it just goes fucking wrong. What the fuck is that? I would literally dump this out right now. Right now, if I wasn't just trying to identify that flavor so I could describe it to you. Yes, I'm doing this for your fucking benefit. You are welcome. Sometimes I drink the swill so you don't have to, and I don't think I've said that recently, but Larry, from that Larry show, thank you for reminding me that sometimes this is what I do. By the way, yeah, you should check out That Larry Show podcast, thatlarryshow.com, or better yet, patreon.com/thatlarryshow. Pledge some money, keep that thing on the air because I love it. I can't put a finger on what that flavor is. It's like eating a blue raspberry lollipop, but then immediately chowing down on the petroleum products that went into making the wrapper for that lollipop. There's like this weird grease flavor, a greasy chemical ick that kicks in afterwards that just makes it fucking awful. Yeah, that it's like if you took a blue raspberry Jolly Rancher, dipped it. Well, no, not dipped it because you dipped in something, you'd get that flavor first. But like if you took a blue raspberry Jolly Rancher and then like fucking somehow hollowed it out and injected it with Vaseline, that's what you would get. This is fucking... It's greasy grossness disguised by fruity, upfront, delightful flavors. And it's fucking disgusting in its deceptiveness. Ugh. I'm hitting this with a zero rating. Yeah. 0 out of 5. I would give it 1 star for the flavor that you initially get, but because the aroma and the flavor make me think that it's going to be palatable, and then it just makes me want to puke afterwards, that deceptiveness lost it the 1 point that it would have gotten, the 1 star that it would have gotten. So 0 out of 5 for this fucking garbage. And do what you should have done with Mad Dog 2020 back in the day and avoid it altogether. It's fucking awful. I'm not even going to finish it. The rest here is getting dumped out because I'm at that point. I can't drink it. That's just what I've got to say about it. Hit me up down below in the email link in the comments. I even choked on the burp. Usually the burps are more pleasant than the fucking drink when it's this bad, but I choked on the burp. So let me know what you have to say about this shit. While you're down, whether you agree or disagree, I still want to hear from you because maybe I got a bad batch. I don't know. While you're down there, don't forget to like and share the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Sharing is key. Yeah, fucking share the pain. Spread that shit out. Make sure everybody knows how fucking awful this is. Grab 2 glasses of ice. Maybe that was my mistake. I didn't put it over ice to fucking thin it out. Pour and pass one on to a friend. Cheers. Ugh, no. See, I like my friends. I'm not going to make them drink this shit. I will agree with the cheers sentiment. Anyway, folks, thanks for tuning in. This is where I would normally say cheers and take another sip of this shit, but I am done with it at this point. Good night.